Can that old collection from 5 years ago stop you from buying a home? Or how about that one late car payment that still haunts you? Let's talk about it. I'm Kris McCullough, retired Marine, loan officer, and head of the KDM team, and we're known for funding loans other lenders fear. Today we're breaking down the hard truth about collections, charge-offs, and late payments when it comes to getting pre-approved for a mortgage. Can that old collection from 5 years ago stop you from buying a home? Or how about that one late car payment that still haunts you? Let's talk about it. I'm Kris McCullough, retired Marine, loan officer, and head of the KDM team, and we're known for funding loans other lenders fear. Today, we're breaking down the hard truth about collections, charge-offs, and late payments when it comes to getting pre-approved for a mortgage. When you apply for a mortgage, lenders don't just look at your credit score. They dig into your credit history. That means they want to see how responsible you've been with debt. But here's the thing. Not every blemish on your credit report matters the same. A 30-day late payment from last year, that's different from a medical collection from 2017. A charge-off, whole different beast. And if you've got active collections, well, let's just say that could throw a wrench in your home buying plans. But not always the way you think. Collections are debts sent to a collection agency because they weren't paid on time. Now, do they stop you from getting pre-approved? Medical collections under $500? Most lenders ignore them. Old collections, over 2 years, usually not required to be paid before closing. Recent or large collections? That's where underwriters start raising eyebrows. And here's the kicker. Paying off a collection right before applying can actually drop your credit score because it changes the status to recent activity. Sometimes it's smarter to leave it alone until after you close. Wild, right? Charge-offs are when the creditor gives up and writes your debt off as a loss. Sounds scary, but for mortgages, many charge-offs are treated like background noise. They're already written off. Old charge-offs, over 2-3 years, usually don't have to be paid. Recent charge-offs or ones tied to big debts might need to be explained. If it's tied to a car loan or installment account, lenders want to know the story. Bottom line, a charge-off doesn't automatically end your pre-approval, but it could mean extra paperwork, extra questions, and sometimes paying it off. Late payments are the drama queens of your credit report. They don't just show up once, they keep affecting your score for years. One late payment 2 years ago? Probably not a deal breaker. Multiple late payments in the last 12 months? That's a problem. Lenders may see you as high risk. Mortgage or rent lates? That's the big red flag. If you can't pay housing on time, lenders panic. Here's a tip. If you're planning to buy in the next year, do whatever it takes not to miss a single payment. Set alarms, auto-pay, hire a carrier pigeon if you have to. Just don't be late. Here's where the hard truth comes in. Judgments or tax liens must be paid or on a payment plan, no way around it. Large recent collections may need to be settled. Medical or small old debts, usually ignored. Here's the good news. Bad credit history doesn't always mean a denied mortgage. Every file is different. Sometimes you need a letter of explanation, sometimes you need a payment plan. Sometimes you just need the right loan officer who knows the rules. And that's what my team does. At the KDM team, we specialize in funding loans other lenders fear. We've helped people with collections, late payments, and charge-offs get into homes when other lenders said no. So, can you still get pre-approved with collections, late payments, and charge-offs? The answer is yes, sometimes. But it depends on the details. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. And if you're ready to buy, find me on Facebook, Instagram, or krismccullough.com. I'm Kris McCullough, and I'll see you in the next video.